Job interview in English for accountants. Questions about skills and competencies. What are your biggest strengths and weaknesses as an accountant? My strength is attention to detail. A weakness is that I can be too much of a perfectionist. How do you handle stress during tax season or month-end closings? I plan ahead and prioritize tasks, and I maintain clear communication with the team. How do you organize yourself during the busiest week of the year? I make a daily task list, set priorities, and delegate when necessary. How do you resolve conflicts in the workplace? I listen to those involved and seek solutions objectively and respectfully. How do you prioritize your tasks when you have multiple responsibilities at the same time? I assess the urgency and importance of each task and organize my schedule accordingly. Questions about training and experience. What is your educational background? I have a degree in public accounting and have completed courses in accounting and tax regulations. What motivated you to become an accountant? I have always enjoyed working with numbers and financial organization. I also believe accounting is essential for any company's success. Give me a summary of your professional experience. I have worked in accounting for over 5 years, mainly in commercial and service companies, handling audits, financial statements, and tax compliance. What are the main tasks of an accountant? The main tasks include recording financial transactions, preparing and analyzing financial statements, ensuring tax compliance, and advising on financial decision-making. What achievements would you highlight from your previous jobs? In my previous job, I implemented improvements in the bank reconciliation process, reducing errors and saving the team time. Technical and knowledge questions. Are you familiar with international/national financial reporting standards, IFRS or US GAAP? Yes, I have experience applying IFRS and US GAAP for the preparation of financial statements. What accounting systems and software have you used? What are the advantages and disadvantages of each? I have used SAP, QuickBooks, and SAP is very robust for large companies but can be complex. QuickBooks is user-friendly but limited for high volumes. How do you ensure accuracy in your accounting work? I review each entry, use reconciliation tools, and follow standardized procedures. How do you identify and correct significant financial errors? I perform periodic reviews, use internal controls, and if I find errors, I investigate the source and make the necessary adjustments. Do you have knowledge of information and communication technologies applied to accounting? Yes, I use digital tools for audits, document management, and financial analysis. Questions about ethics and confidentiality. Have you ever needed to be extremely careful with sensitive information? Yes, I always handle financial information with complete confidentiality and only share it with authorized personnel. What would you do if you found a significant irregularity in the financial statements? I would immediately inform my supervisor and follow the established protocol to investigate and correct the situation. Questions about adaptation and learning. How do you stay updated on accounting and tax matters? I attend courses, read specialized publications, and participate in seminars. What do you do to learn new accounting tools or systems? I take online courses and practice with tutorials until I master the system. Questions about expectations and motivation. Why do you want to work with us? I am interested in the company because of its leadership in this sector and its professional development opportunities. What do you expect from your next job as an accountant? I hope to continue growing professionally and contribute to the company's success. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? I see myself in a position of greater responsibility and leading an accounting team. Why did you decide to change jobs? I am looking for new challenges and professional growth opportunities. What do you know about our company? I know that it is a well-known company in the sector, focused on innovation and staff development. Questions about situations and practical cases. Tell us about a situation where you improved a financial process. I automated the bank reconciliation process, which reduced the monthly closing time by 30%. Have you ever had a disagreement with a supervisor? How did you resolve it? Yes, I had a difference of opinion about a procedure. We discussed it and reached an agreement based on current regulations.